So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick, very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find out if your laptop has a fingerprint scanner that you can use to sign in to your laptop, if it has it or not. Now, if you're physically looking at your laptop, you're not able to find it. Just simply open the settings of your laptop. Now here in the settings, simply click on account on the left window, scroll down, click on sign in options, and here you'll see this option of fingerprint recognition. Now when you enable it, and if it shows you can set up fingerprint scanner, or it shows something like this that you can set up multiple fingerprints, that means your system has the fingerprint sensor. You just simply need to locate it. Just simply type your uh, desktop name on your on YouTube or somewhere, and you'll find where this fingerprint scanner is. Or if it does not, it will show something like this, that this feature is not yet supported on your system or something like that. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.